What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this OClean X Pro Digital Sonic electric toothbrush. Actually, I have got this one from my girlfriend as a gift. A few days ago, my girlfriend started talking to me like this. Han, why don't you take care of your teeth? Why don't you do something to make it look better? I was like, look at this, can it get better? Yeah, actually, it has become a bit better. It wasn't this good. After my girlfriend has gifted this to me, I have started using this OClean X Pro Digital Sonic electric toothbrush, and yeah, things got a bit better within a few days. It clearly says exceptional oral care and plaque removal in hard to reach areas. Smart touch screen displays brushing feedback, brushing plan personalization, exceptional cleaning, maglev motor, and wow, patented brush heads. When I have seen these, I was like, many other brands makes a lot of promise and at the end of the day nothing changes. But today I'm doing this video because something has changed, and this one is totally different than many other electric toothbrushes, and I should say thanks to Tia that she has brought this into my attention. Okay, after I have got this one from my girlfriend, I have done some research and I have noticed that Dentists of American Dental Association has recommended this for years, and this brand OClean has more than 400 patents in the past 6 years. That's cool. Well, this is a X series smart electric toothbrush, and this one is the only electric toothbrush which comes with a touch screen and provides a visible brushing on its smart touch screen. As well as this one offers efficient cleaning by its patented maglev motor. This one can deliver 42,000 RPM revolution per minute, and that's really a very strong power. And as this one is equipped with a 6-axis gyroscope, this one can actually track the brushing areas. We have different brushing areas, and this one can follow and let us know which brushing areas are actually sufficiently clean or whether the brushing was insufficient. As this is an electric toothbrush, definitely this one comes with IP rating. This one is IPX7 waterproof, and you know what? This one comes with a wireless charger, and this one takes only around 2.5 hours to get fully charged. That's not the point. The point is this one can go up to 30 days. I mean, one full charge, and this one will provide you battery life for 30 days of brushing. That's way better than many other, because I actually have been using another electric toothbrush which offers me about 10 days of battery life and takes around 6 hours to get fully charged. So yeah, this one offers way better convenience. Okay, I've started talking about two different things. The first thing is 6-axis gyroscope. Yeah, this OClean X Pro comes with a 6-axis gyroscope and pressure sensors. This one can track the position of the toothbrush while brushing and transfers the data to the application. Yeah, we are going to talk about the application soon, and in the application we are going to get a lot of detailed information. After I have done some research, I have noticed that this is the first electric toothbrush with smart touch screen. This smart touch screen can go pretty bright and has vibrant colors. And well, this one also provides brushing scores and supplementary brushing for missed areas. Okay, the second thing I have mentioned at the beginning is the maglev motor with stable vibration. Different from average sonic motors, magnetic levitation power lead to zero energy loss and definitely concentrates on the energy transfer to the brush head, which generates double cleaning power while delivering 5 times more stability and comfort. I think I should use the word comfy. Okay, I was a bit worried that what type of noise will it generate. Here it is. So yeah, you have heard it by yourself. Have you heard any loud noise? I don't think so, because this one doesn't make any loud noise. That's really great. Okay, before we go through the application, let us quickly do the unboxing. I actually have unboxed it earlier, and being a tech reviewer, what I always do is whatever I unbox, I always record it. So let's go through the unboxing. Well, This OClean X Pro comes with two kinds of brush heads, plug control brush head and delicate clean brush head. I have been using this delicate clean brush head, but if you want, you can use the plug control brush head because that one features DuPont Diamond Classic bristles with W-shaped bristle cutting and tongue scraper. So yeah, the choice is yours. Depending on your situation and requirement, you can choose the one you prefer. Okay, here is the OClean Pro application and you can clearly see that I have already connected my OClean X Pro Digital. There are three tabs: Home, Data and Me. Inside Me, you will actually be able to check your tooth information. The actual thing is inside this My Device. Well, device nickname, model, color, and then something personal, I mean the MAC address and the serial number, then warranty period. Oh yeah, this one comes with 12 months of warranty. You can sync data using this sync time. I had to go through a firmware upgrade and you actually have to check whether there is any firmware upgrade or not. Ineffective brushing records filtering. I have filtered all of my ineffective brushing records because I don't want to keep those. There is Bluetooth acceleration, toothbrush auto wake, automatic supplementary brushing, auto adaptive morning evening brushing mode, holiday reminder, area change reminder, and toothbrush language. Well, these are actually not the most important part. The most important part comes here. The data, the information we are gonna get. You can clearly see we can check all the data like, well, the data of Friday. Excellent, good, excellent, poor, poor. Well, let's check the good one. It shows which parts got full coverage, which parts got insufficient coverage, whether there is any moderate pressure, excessive pressure, or lack of time. Yeah, this part has got lack of time. It actually gives you a verdict. Good, but upper left inner, upper right inner are neglected. Brush longer and more carefully. Keep it up. You will also get cleaning degree. I've got 85%, cleaning time, program's duration, effective brushing time, and actual brushing time. Let's check what I have done today. Here you see, excellent brushing, cool, full coverage, no moderate pressure, no excessive pressure, no lack of time. Excellent, every corner has been covered. Cleaning degree 100%. Wow, you get a full average brushing score and you are so strong. Well, here comes cleaning time, program's duration, effective brushing time, actual brushing time, and one more time it gives another verdict. Good job. Sufficient duration of brushing is the guarantee of tooth health. We can do some weekly view, monthly view, and daily view. The last brushing score will always be on the home page. We need to click on detailed report to get the detailed report. We can select different brushing modes. There are some preset programs like Sunrise Soothing, Standard Cleaning, Strong Whitening, Gentle Teeth Spa, Standard Teeth Spa, Gum Care Cleaning, Braces Cleaning, Newbie Whitening, Travel, Sensitivity after the teeth are cleaned, Strong Cleaning, Super Cleaning. We can also do some customization like brush duration, select a mood. There are actually 4 different moods: clean, whitening, massage, and sensitive. We can also select brushing force. On this application, we are also able to check the connected device's battery life, so that's a great thing. Okay, that's all about this OClean X Pro Digital Sonic Electric Toothbrush. Thanks to Thea that she has bought me this one. Actually, she has 2 of these. I don't know why she had to buy 2 different colored ones. Maybe, depending on her moods, she would choose the one she prefers. But I think everybody should get at least one of these. That's my personal opinion. Well, I would like to know what you think about this OClean X Pro Digital. At this moment, this is the most favorite gadget that I have. And I always keep playing with this smart touch screen. Okay, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.